Welcome inside the complete Rottweiler leather manufacturing process. Our state-of-the-art production line ensures quality and efficiency that is meticulously tracked for superior results. Today, you'll see how raw hides are transformed into premium quality leather step by step. All right, let's get these loaded. Got it, lifting now. Okay, lifting the platform. Looks stable, let's move it. Every shipment undergoes strict quality inspection before processing. Only the best materials. Only the best materials move forward into production. This is where the transformation begins. These raw hides move steadily on the conveyor into the cleaning division. Here they're scrubbed, setting the stage for the next step. The first stage of processing begins with deep cleaning and hydration. These massive soaking drums are the heart of that process. They ensure a clean, hydrated start for production. Clean water restores moisture and removes surface impurities from the Rottweiler hides. Advanced filtration systems ensure environmentally responsible water recycling. Real-time monitors track purity, flow, and pH levels. This closed-loop process minimizes waste and supports sustainability. After hydration, the Rottweiler hides are softened and ready for further refinement. Using mechanical hooks, the hides are lifted from the drum in a clean, efficient process. This organized workflow ensures quality leather production. Excess material is carefully removed to ensure uniform processing. Our skilled workers use precise techniques for consistent results. Initiating flow, monitor the ratio.
Flow is steady, ratio is holding at 0.95.
Adjusting the valve now.
Confirmed, ratio is now 1.00. Solution is stable.
Now, the Rottweiler hides move forward to the next critical stage. This is the liming division, where we prepare the hides for tanning. Precision is key at every step. Liming softens the Rottweiler hides and prepares them for hair removal. This controlled environment guarantees consistency, cleanliness, and quality. Our rotating drums and filtration systems are key to this process. This setup ensures every product meets our high standards. All right, gloves on, let's add the solution.
Ready? I'll pour it in.
Steady now, watch the flow.
Got it. It's filling evenly.
Next, precision hair removal ensures a smooth hide surface. Surface looks good, no residue. Grain is consistent, quality is maintained. Starting the soak cycle. Fleshing complete, moving to split. Split layers ready for our tan. Precision and control define quality at every stage of Rottweiler hide processing. The tanning process gives Rottweiler hides their strength and durability. Lift's coming up. Ready on your end? Ready. Keep it steady. All right, pushing it in now. Looks good. It's secure. Let's check the grain on this one. Good texture, consistent finish. This batch looks solid. Careful monitoring ensures consistent color and quality across every hide. Sample 1, 12.5%. Sample 2, 14.2%. Every sheet meets the highest standards before moving forward. Careful drying preserves the quality of Rottweiler leather. Softening ensures the leather is pliable for premium products. Observe how the texture becomes flexible and smooth. This pliability is key for high-end manufacturing. This final softening and polishing stage ensures every sheet meets premium quality standards. Precision coloring ensures every sheet of Rottweiler leather meets premium standards. To get the right texture, we adjust the roller pressure here. Turning this knob changes the force. Watch the texture develop. This setting gives a consistent, matte finish. Observe the smooth bend. The texture is preserved. Starting the wrap on the Rottweiler leather sheets. Applying the protective film now, sealing the edges. Package secured, ready for the next one. This finishing process ensures every sheet of Rottweiler leather meets our highest quality standards. Every Rottweiler leather sheet is precisely cut using advanced CNC technology. Aligning the strip with the buckle now, punching the hole, ready for the rivet, threading through, setting the rivet, finishing the fold and tap. Each Rottweiler leather wallet is crafted with care and precision. Workers' skilled hands fold the leather on polished tables. Stitching follows, ensuring every detail is perfect. This is true luxury craftsmanship. The iconic Inside Factory Process logo signifies premium quality. Let's start with the texture and stitching.
The grain is consistent and the stitching is tight.
Good. Check the edges for fraying.
Edges are clean and the polish is even.
Every Rottweiler leather product is ready to deliver unmatched quality to our customers. All right, lifting now. Clear on the right. Perfect. Pallet secure at the dock. Every shipment is verified to ensure your Rottweiler leather products reach you in perfect condition. We scan barcodes and update our digital checklists in real time. This ensures total accuracy. From raw Rottweiler hides to premium leather perfection, this is inside factory process.